second fundamental theorem of calculus. Okay, let the function ft be continuous on CD and x be any number in CD. Okay, x is any number on CD and a be any fixed number in CD. Okay, so it's the area under the curve between C and X. So if this X is right over here under the curve f of t dt. So the second fundamental theorem of calculus tells us that if f is continuous on the interval, that is going to be equal to the antiderivative of f, and we see right over here that capital F is antiderivative of f. Okay, for the formula for second fundamental theorem, if f x is integrate from a to gx f t dt, so we will get f prime x is equal to integrate differentiate d over dx from a to gx. Okay, f t dt, or otherwise the other formula is f gx dg over dx. Okay, let's look at the example 1. So when we are given the function fx equal to integration from a to x cube, for the function ft is equal to t cube minus 1 dt, then use the second fundamental theorem of calculus to find f prime x and f prime 0. Okay, so let we solve for the question A first. Okay, how to find f prime x? So for the first step is we need to classify which is our gx. So our gx is on the top in the integration interval where gx is equal to x cube. Okay, then we need to differentiate our gx. So our g prime x is equal to 3x squared. Okay, for the second step, our ft is equal to t cube minus 1. Then we need to find the composite function for fgx. So fgx, we substitute the value of function gx inside here, so we will get fx cube. Okay, so fx cube, x cube, we substitute the value of x cube into the function of t, so we get x cube to the power of 3 minus 1. Then when we expand here, we will get x to the power of 9 minus 1. Okay, for the third step, we need to find f prime x. So formula for the f prime x is f gx multiply with g prime x. Okay, so please take the value of x power of 9 minus 1, which we get above, multiply with g prime x. So our g prime x is 3x squared. Okay, so solve this one, expand 1 by 1, we will get 3x to the power of 11 minus 3x squared. Okay, so this is our f prime x solved for the question A. Okay, while for the question B, we want to find f prime 0. So f prime 0, we just substitute the value of x with 0. So 3 times 0 to the power of 11 minus 3 times 0 to the power of 2. Good. When we substitute the value of x with 0, we will get 0 value. So the solution for f prime 0 is equal to 0.